skills undi abayusu batunga society neja transforminga.
Yes, Chairman, maybe briefly, Mubuku Town Council nemanya Town Council nembere halimu abana bengi halimu abana abatine kisomo ninga low levels of education. Kandi halimu nabazeire abine mindset change nti ibo nibarugo mu opposition parties tebaso kwija bakasupport tebaso kwija bakejumbira mu bintu bya government. What is your appeal to them?
In fact nimaza kusima government ya NRM ekateka industrial hub ne accommodatinga buli all party manya wa FDC manya wa NUP wena apilinga bazaire abalyoku abalyomatekereza ngwenu ne industrial hub ya NRM egini rongo perspective tuina abana ba NUP hano baliomba soma tuina abana ba FDC balumo munu NRM hiwe musavinga buliomu aliyo nagabora mu entegeke nunge ya President Museveni yatutireho kandi ni nsima government aboko omwana wa kuija hanu taine center zones wa kumuyihaho ebyo kubyama biroho byabusa ebyo kulya byabusa medical care yabusa kuija akachievinga skills akandi akagaruka mu society kugiongea transforming.
Okay, Chairman, maybe lastly Kasese district twine only one this hub. What is your request to the government? Enu habu netumara ninga president atongere yendi.
Chinto chokubanza limanza kusima habo enu abokuba ebyo transforminga abantu mu speed ya amani. My request is abantu bakutamu abokuba abantu bakiga ni sababu enamba egyo tugiongezee agiongeze enamba abana bibiri ana ntaito ni saba bongezeho akira atahemuga abana bina buli intake.
Okay, webale Chairman ogo yali Chairman LOC3 wa Mubuku Town Council yamara kutusobora ejo allegation nambere bakugamba nti Mubuku Town Council ini abana bengi kana abana tibakusoma. He has refused those allegations. Mwitwikirize we bring in another guest who will be talking to us. That is the chairperson Local Council 1 or this village. Chairman, you are live on Tayari West Television.
Thank you, sir.
You will tell us you will tell our viewers how this industrial hub has helped or has transformed the lives of the locals. Thank you.
Thank you very much. My name I'm called you see for us with the forces we start with the first number. Yes. I have a first number that's number 13525. Sergeant Wada Ojachor Moses. I'm the Chairman LOC1 of Mubuku Prison Cell. This industrial hub was established in 2022 and under the government initiative. As per now, we have that is shoemaking, welding, bricklaying, and hairdressing. From the time this industrial hub has been here, my boss, over 800 youths of Kasese, particularly in the Rwenzori region, have benefited from this industrial hub through these courses, and it has transformed them in very many ways. Mindset change, they are now able to earn some small money for their livelihood, coming up with these initiatives, because I'm very sure no Uganda now is going to die when it's poor, because this one, it is automatic whether you have gone to school or not, so long as you are willing to study. You are welcome. We can admit you here. Everything it is free of charge. Food is free, accommodation is free, treatment is free, water is free. You only come with your mind and you come and study. So I explore all the youth in Uganda to take very serious necessary actions in this industrial hub in terms of studying for us to transform our lives in our communities.
Maybe Chairman, before we proceed, Kasese district, especially Mubuku Town Council, yes, here, there are cases of young girls having children, and those are the school dropouts, and their parents are to some extent neglecting them not to go to school. What is your appeal to them?
I'm appealing to the youth. What has been causing school dropouts? You see, the government has come up with these initiatives of giving us free education. I believe there will be no child dropout in Mubuku particularly and in Kasese as a district, because now what was causing early pregnancies in Kasese, I can say one, we had an opportunity like this industrial hub. But now with this opportunity we have gotten here, I believe Kasese is going to explore and no dropout will be continuously in Kasese. And I believe all the girls now will be attending schools, because when after finishing P7, even if you have not finished P7, here we can admit you come for a welding course, and even in completion, if you perform well, the government has a hand in it. It helps you, it gives you some startup capital, they can give you even a machine if you're a tailor. So I explore all the youth of Uganda, particularly here in Kasese in Mobuku, to embrace this government initiative for us to progress in this country, Uganda.
Maybe lastly, Chairman, apart from the industrial hub in the area, what other requests do you want the government to work upon in your area?
Yes, on the side of request to be forwarded to the government, as in Mobuku here, we always have the challenge of water. Particularly as per now, Mobuku Town Council, we base in the water which is used by KCCL, that is the Kasese Cobalt Company Limited. So sometimes when KCCL shuts down water and they are like repairing their machines, meaning we shall not be getting water up here. All the local population of Mobuku has to get water direct from River Mobuku. So I'm appealing the government to put a hand in it, to help us, to avail us with the good water, health facilities. We have, particularly we have Mobuku Prison Health Center too, which is serving the big population here in Mobuku. So that at the times that health center it is overwhelmed by patients, we are requesting government at least to upgrade Mobuku Health Center 2 to Health Center 3 for us to help the population of Mobuku. Then the other thing which I can request the government to help us in, it is the road system in Mobuku particularly. You know Mobuku, the location of Mobuku particularly, we are in a lowland from the hill. When it rains up there in the hill, there is a lot of water which is sloping down. And that water when it is sloping down, it has affected a lot of roads here down. We appeal government to come in to help us. There is a road which is connecting Kalusandara sub-county to Mobuku Town Council via Mobuku Prison land. That road, it is very, very important. When the river floods, our students from Kalusandara who are schooling in Mobuku Primary and Mobuku Valley, they cannot access school even for a week. So I'm appealing government to put hand in that road to help the learners of Kalusandara together with the business community of Kalusandara and Mobuku at large.
Okay, thank you, Chairman, for your time. Tungerewe chinimba tayari West Television abo batuloba kahulukirira olusungu Chairman mwaka bina akasobara ende akasima omukulu erihanga eribina kaleta engola kulana no mwachipindi chenu naro kandi amaye nakatekayo ebithibu byente bya mutina namuma ende omwachipindi chiwe chenu muli ebithibu ebya maethe jesipatara eribe kinanyike kandi amasabe government ende yisumbe sipatara ya hanu erlokwa health center 2 eriko kwa lidara area health center 3 munyikirenga behike ku oundi mulemi nayo abina katusoborera echiri okwa ground mukulu uli live okwa tayari West Television wasingere tu obutuku bwawo nge kusabende ubwire abatakandwa ne batusamalire echiri omwa district man mwasinja kutheba
kalwe bali muno waitu omukuru wa program amabara gange ne banyeta Kerokim Bright ndi musaija munyabindi wa Kasese Kerokinu nyizire kutangira President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni abo kwija okukinguraho officially eskuru yaitu ebye mkono nitoro mugisa okubanza kusima President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni abo kusobora okomora mu Kasese okutunga lini somero eryebye mikono muzeyi waitu ohangare kandi webale muno tukugonza muno akwana ino tugonza muno muzeyi Museveni Kerokinu ntukusima habwe byone byokozere kandi ninyenda kumanyisa abantu ba Kasese ni hanga liona erya Uganda tuti Mobuku turoho eskuru yaitu nesomesa ebintu bingi muno nesomesa nka carpentry nesomesa ebyokore migati nesomesa ebintu byokuruka ebyalani nesomesa welding nesomesa okore nkaito nebindi baitu at least haro projects musanju ebari kwegesa saa zinu hanyuma white president ni kusaba nyonka chairman LC1 owambuku central nti ogere binde biwatwongeraho nukwe projects ze yongereho abokuba abana tuchabayine nibenda kusoma kandi ni nyongera ni kusima white president of project enu etuyambereho habwa abana aba droppingire out masomero batunga nabo echokora hatsa zinu at least echkwatraine ne mirimo omubichweka byaitu abana no at least they are very busy down and up abakora emirimo eyengaro.
Yes chairman etuna mwende mbere ukalengekana ya end industrial hub enu yanaba birevendulaho omezi kuti eribya huli abana eminyeto especially mu Muvuku town council na district yose ya Kasese.
Amazima ninyenda kusoborora weitu mutekanza wa programu enu inti president chatukolire omukichweka cheitu chomugaso muno saazinu norora kimu amaka galio ngeja nge improvinga habokuba abano bakumara kusoma skill bagenda mfield ya working capacity batandika kukora bataya 10 so in the end Osanga community emazire ku improvinga mu byokutasha kasente kabuli kiro in other words ebyo bugega biri mkweyongera habokuba ebyokora biroho.
Maybe chairman tukabwerera interview yaitu nawo ukasaba ababuti ikinababuti abakinawute a mindset change abakinote mindset in the omwana ayabere buturo kwa butala sakitolere akasuba school kandi unasi district ya Kasese wako muri abana banene
samu onyikirize mbaze simeho mukuru hanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni habwe ensonga yenu habu akatuletera muno musomesa owa mindset ogo musomesa owa mindset achangingire community yaitu kurungi haboku abana bona bamazire okusomera hano habu bali mukugane ba motivatinga abagenzi babo omubyaro no kubereka kikikire ekibasemire kukora hati sazinu abantu bachasisho obwire kandi bali bagambira abantu inti ntamanya obwire bakabusisa habo butamanya so ni kusaba white president sensitization ya mindset ojongere mamani nuko Uganda yaitu esobole okutambura eyetegeriza.
Okay, lastly chairman ngakusaba ende uhavule okwa babandu bose ababitungeshe sente she parish development model ababiri sikolesha nabe hari information kabwende hanabande balume bo babandisha sente she PDM bamende bakati hamwe abandi bakali abuka bahabula utiche ansonga eya PDM ojikirize mbaze simeho president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ntiwebale muzei okutekerezao itwe nka abantu hanyuma itwe nka LCs tituine chitwaka kwasireho ni kusaba naitwe nka local council ones oteka program wetu president habokuba empapore tukuhandika ezikwikiriza abantu abo kutunga sente nito tukusaininga tutakasainingira empapura busa umuntu asa kutunga sente eza PDM so president nkusaba naitwe oteka hanjoka hanyuma sente ezo abantu abengi bazikozeseze kurungi tinkuja kubiha omukichweka change abantu bamaze kutunga business abantu in fact tinsobora kubiha nti sente ezo tugirire cyo mugaso gwamani buri muntu no hekamukaye no sanga at least enchukachuke bayireho embuzero ebinde byengambo ti abantu basubire mu abakazi tinchino bwakaiso nko mukichweka change baitu at least ni ndora enkurakurana erionegena mu maiso hakwa abantu baguzire embuzi abantu baguzire empunu buli kimu bachikozera senda PDM. Okay. Chairman wasinja eritu hobutuku bwawo kandi mutungere uti ewe tayari West Television oyalo chairman LC1 West Central Muvuku narukande amabibi nakatwika yako obuli kindu cyo simunyikirenga behike ko ndi mulemi eribina ayekalo mwa hima town council mukulu live okwa tayari West Television tukisuka nesonga eye parish development model chikama chabele minyibwa in the yes chimanyi it is known that some beneficiaries of the PDM, especially men, after receiving the 1 million, decided to marry or remarry other wives. What is your say about that?
Amabaraganga banyeta Seto Waseraji. I'm coming from Hima Town Council. Kandi I'm a chairman of Elders Hima Town Council. Ya ikintu cha PDM tujikoseze kandi wikire tujigabira abantu kurungi kandi yakozere mirimo yayo ko kwetagisibwa. Waitu president ntukusima muno awokorora ngo tohire nkurakurana yo tuyimukya tuya hansi twica nambe twikire nkabana ababere bamaze kusoma batende kibakora obatungira akasente ka PDM kasobora kubasindika kugenda maiso kandi nibakora kurunga ebintu byengaro ebintu nkeito nosanga bine embuzi makagabo nibalisa.
Chairman ansonga ya Muvuku Industrial Hub hano eji Muvuku Industrial Hub we nko muntu norora eyambireho abana hano ninga bachere inga nkabambembezi mwikinemwe akantu akakuburama ene
school yo tohaire witu president ntukusima muno tutene okugarukira kandi enu school eyambira abana bengi muno abwe kigambo cha school fees kiwe kiturukubi mu maskuru agandi betu enu school yetuyambire abana bayizire mbasomesa nkanyo muzeyi aba nyina abejukuru aboreda abanyakuri hano kuruge school netandika ntungireho okwikya okurora ngo abana basomere kandi akaheya akaturiki abana ku over kinana kuruge tandika hano kandi tukolire umurimo bukoto muno kandi omungi.
Yeah. Okay. O chairman webale kutohubire bwawo omutungere wekinimba atayebo television abo sibama bende bakakwicha ko bakasima president we Rihanga eribya enabere bale terengo la kulana eye Muvuku Industrial Hub. Muvuku Industrial Hub eno yabiribe ikahendula obomezi obwabana abatiba mukinda namuma. And now they continue requesting the government to bring more different skills. Now allow us connect you to the main function. Thank you very much.
Otaferwa aha tayari West
una bindya university Makerere omu holidays ninga so mu cyumuro nganye ni munywano wanje arukora mu rumono go gwa photography atukuna herezo kusoma atinjira nti ahabwenshi ntafutandikawo akantu akakuntwire ningora ane bintu bibiri ebi driving a business number 1 necho rukwiham intas a new priority, otherwise business yeta quantas then to kujita mana energy echindi